What is nuclear fission and why do we need it? What is nuclear fusion and is it any use? What is an atom and what is a nucleus? Atoms are very small particles that every substance is made up of. They have a small nucleus made of protons and neutrons. Electrons orbit the nucleus, but we are not bothered about these for nuclear fission. Nuclear fission. What is it? The splitting up of a large nucleus, uranium, into two smaller nuclei. How does it happen? A neutron bombards a uranium nucleus and makes the nucleus split into two parts. 2 or 3 neutrons are released along with lots and lots of energy. This is my video to explain the process of fission. Why do we say 2 or 3 neutrons? Try to split a chocolate bar in half. Can you do this exactly the same each time? No, so the uranium nucleus does not split in the same way each time, so sometimes 2 neutrons are spared and sometimes 3. What happens to the neutrons? They go on to cause more fission and collide with more uranium nuclei, giving out even more energy. But first, they need slowing down by the moderator. A chain reaction and a possible meltdown. If all the neutrons that are released cause more fission events, then we have a chain reaction and it can get out of control. That would be a disaster. So we have control rods that absorb some of them. Phew. The reaction could get out of control, or there could be a leak of nuclear radiation from the used fuel rods. These are highly radioactive and need to be handled remotely and stored safely for a very long time. This costs lots of money. Nuclear fusion. This is the opposite of nuclear fission. It is happening in the sun now. 2 small nuclei like hydrogen join together, and this also gives out lots of energy. So we're trying to build nuclear fusion reactors on Earth to make lots of electricity. Hopefully, nuclear fusion reactors will be a reality in our lifetime to help solve the energy crisis. No radioactive waste, no carbon emission, and it's renewable. Thank you for listening.